In this tutorial I will show you how to create dripping effect in Photoshop. First create new layer and select gradient tool and fill the color. Click Ctrl+J for duplicate the layer. Go to filter menu and open liquify, follow the process. Click OK. Ctrl+J for duplicate the layer. Select the bottom layer and go to Properties and click on Flip Horizontal. Add layer mask, choose Brush tool, make sure foreground color is black, then hide these areas. Create new layer, press Alt and left click on mouse to create clipping mask. Create some shadows like this. For final step, create some color balance.